In a triangle MNP, the altitude NT of side MP and the median MK of side NP intersect at the point R. Name all the triangles in the figure formed. First, I want to draw triangle MNP. MK is the median of side NP and NT is the altitude of side NP. NT is the altitude of side MP. Name all the triangles in the figure formed. Triangle M N K, triangle M K P, triangle M N T, triangle T N P, triangle M R T, N R K, triangle M N R, M N P. Part B. Name two altitudes of triangle MTN. Altitude NT and altitude MT.